I'm studying the red-breasted nuthatch. However, all I see is the dark-eyed junco. The junco is a common bird at the bird feeders. No two are alike. Some are about as big as a robin, some small and delicate. They love the feeder and the seeds that fall on the ground. They spend equal time between the feeder and the ground. Their habits are easy to spot, recognize, and follow. They are the most yielding bird at the feeder. They wait their turn, don't linger, and yield when several juncos approach at the same time. In my yard are 4 feeders plus a suet cage. A dozen or more juncos will be darting about the yard at any given time. Given that I've replenished the feeders, which I do about every 2 or 3 days. Lately, we've noticed a white bird streaking across the yard, landing in the trees and joining the other birds at the feeders. This little white bird has caught our eye. It's so different yet blends in quite well like a first cousin. The sighting of this white bird is so brief that I never have my cell phone camera or DSLR ready when it comes by. What I notice is that it's not all white. It has black speckles or black streaks. No black hood like the dark-eyed junco, and it's not a nuthatch, which is too small, and the nuthatch has a black streak across the eyes. No, this bird is different from the rest, even the chickadee, yet similar, as birds do flock together. Today I spotted it in the backyard by the feeder, up at the feeder, then down to the ground feeding on the dropped seeds. Finally, I grabbed my DSLR and took some horrible pictures. Later, I got my cell phone camera and nailed a few good shots, enough to put through Google Lens and identify it. At first return, Google Lens detected it to be a white-backed nuthatch. That's it. No, the size is wrong and the habit's not quite right. Also, the nuthatch has a very uniform coloring, not speckled or streaked. I tried another picture through Google Lens and came up with a leucistic dark-eyed junco. Leucistic? This is a rare dark-eyed junco with a genetic variation not unlike albinism. With leucism, there is a partial absence of pigmentation or color in the plumage. It's a mutation that affects 1 in 30,000 birds. My white little guy, displaying all the habits of a junco, turns out to be a rare variation of the dark-eyed junco.